Hi, today we'll be doing zeroing my Ruger 1022 with the Archangel kit on it. We'll be testing the groupings of two types of ammunition. We have the Federal ammunition here, it's the 525 value pack long rifle by Champion. Federal ammunition is the Champion round. And the CCI Sub-Sonics, the 22 long rifle, 1050 feet per second, and they're 40 grain. And these are 36 grain. Okay, we'll start with the Federal. And I'll be shooting at the target on the left. And that should be it, 6. We'll do the Sub-Sonics now. And 6 again. And this time I'll be shooting at the target on the right. Okay, we'll go check the result. Okay, after basically testing out the two ammunitions, there was a few factors I have to find. I wouldn't find it conclusive now, and probably I'd like to test them again. You were talking 60 meters. Basically, there was I wasn't the bench rest I'm using, the Cordwell's bench rest. I haven't used it before, so basically I would probably want to try that again maybe in the future. I know from personal experience that the CCI Sub-Sonics are way more accurate than the bulk pack, for the simple reason when they don't, they're below they're subsonic, so they're below the speed of sound. So basically, the reason I'm saying that is because the Federals basically travel above the speed of sound, and when they come out of the speed of sound, when they're slowing down, you'll find that the way they travel then distorts them. I'll be able to explain that hopefully maybe in a video further down the road why that is. So yeah, I'd probably say these are better, but I on the video. Okay, and that's basically it for this video. If you like the video, please press like. You can follow us on our Facebook page, Connemara Shooter, or on our forums website, ConnemaraShooter.com. Okay, thank you for watching.